There's Ethan's first Christmas. There's Ethan.
He's looking serious.
So we can, Emma, baby. Hey, listen. We can play Play-Doh a little bit later on, okay?
No, this one.
Yeah, we can play with that a little bit later on. Oh! Oh!
What is it? A motorcycle.
Here, let me put it on.
I forgot about that.
You love it? It's your scooter.
Can you take this off?
Mimi and Papa got you a scooter.
Debbie,
It's alright.
do we need to take that off?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, we gotta adjust that. Your head's
Yeah.
too big.
It's not like those big kids' helmets.
What were
theirs like? Well, they
Oh,
were
they were full
big
size.
kids, Oh, so so it just slid right on.
Here, we gotta move your hair out the way. You moved it. Alright. Here we go.
Ethan.
It still gets in the way.
Ethan's like really concentrated. He's like,
What's
wow.
going on? Wow.
Alright, hang on.
Hey, buddy.
Look at you. Oh my goodness. Oh, you
Oh, give Mimi and Papa a hug. This came from Mimi Papa.
You're welcome, sweetie.
She'll let you with that.
Thank you. I mean, you're welcome. Thank you for the hug.
Oh my.
Oh, here she goes.
Here's your bell.
I wonder if that's actually more difficult than the...
Than a two-wheel.
Yeah.
Like the thing is not going on the gym floor, is it?
Emma, can you do it? There you